Okay, let's start. Here we can cover CSS intro. What is CSS? CSS is a cascading style sheets. CSS is like custom for our website. It make it look pretty and stylish. It means it can give colors like that. Why we need to CSS? Hypertext markup language is like the skeleton of our website, and CSS add the skin and makeup it look good. Okay, it means it can just what it can give color. It is just structure, but it can give color and styling. What can CSS do? Can change the color and fonts, add spacing and margins, create cool layouts and designs, make things move, animate. Yes, CSS can do all these things. Why is CSS is important? Make our website look professional, help people navigate and use our website, make our website work well on different devices like mobile, laptop, like that. Okay, let's cover basic concepts of CSS. CSS selectors. Here, what is selectors? Selector means it can specify or group elements or single elements. Here, CSS selector can have different types of selector: element selector, class selector, ID selector, attribute selector. CSS selector are used to target specific elements or a group of elements on a web page or website. Okay. CSS properties. Here we can have some properties for CSS: color, background color, font size, fonts family, margin, padding, animation, transitions, like that. CSS, why we can use CSS properties? CSS properties are used to define the styles applied to an element or group of elements. That's why we can use this. Okay, CSS box model. We all know what is box. Okay, some rectangle box, square box, like that. Here also content. Okay, in this box model we can have content, padding, border, margin. The CSS box model defines the structure of an element box. It can define the structure of an element box. The box model includes the content area, padding, border and margin area also. CSS layout. It can display, position, float, clear, and like that. What is this? It is display, like that. CSS layout properties are used to define the layout of elements on a web page. It is used to lay out the properties. Here we can use some 50 pixel, 80 pixel, percentage, em, rem, view h, view height, like that. CSS units. These are called CSS units. CSS units are used to define the measurements for CSS properties. These are the measurements for CSS properties. Okay, let's see example. This is yesterday's HTML. Okay, here we can link. I can link the CSS sheet with HTML. Okay, I can see you. How can it? What is this relation? Style sheets. href link / it can give it. So I want to remove this. Here I can give one link. Okay, let's run. Sorry, I want to see. Okay, here what is body? Here this is the content of the body. Okay, sure. Here we can have something extra. That's all. Okay, here body. this body content here, h1, paragraph tag, anchor tag, all in background color, this color, font family is this family. Okay, let's go for h1. Here h1 can visible in this blue color, p tag can visible in this brown color, anchor tag this blue color. Here we can use hover. Okay, let's see what is what. Here it is h1, welcome to my website, this color. Next paragraph, this is a simple paragraph. This is in p tag in css is this light gray color. Here we can give link. Okay, why we can here hover, let's see. This hand button is called hover. Visit, this link is visible.